Like a bullet train.
What's going on, everybody? Evan from EvanGetsAesthetic here, and it's snowing out here. We got snow. We got snow. We got snow. So much snow. The DC, Virginia area is not ready for this kind of stuff. Holy crap. This is blizzard of 2016. It is about 9:30 in the morning on Saturday, and it is not supposed to stop until about, I don't know, probably midnight tonight or something like that. It's crazy. But you know what? I'm not going to let it stop me from getting a good sweat in, so that's why I'm making this video today. I'm going to show you guys that you can still get a workout in, even in these conditions. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. Basically what I'm going to do is kind of bring it back to what all started this, and I'm going to go do some insanity with Mrs. Aesthetic and a friend of ours, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to strap a heart rate monitor on myself. I'm going to see how many calories I can get burned, because you know what, I don't really anticipate a whole lot of goodness going into my body today, because hey, when you're snowed in, macros don't count. No calories, no macros count when you're snowed in. It's one of those little facts, and facts of life. But yep, that's what we're gonna do. It is an absolute blizzard out here. I'm freezing. I'm gonna go back inside, and after insanity, I think I'm gonna play a little bit of racquetball. So I'm gonna see how many calories I can get burned there. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna do it. We're gonna get it done, and I'll see you guys when we're in there. Guys, that seriously will take it out of you. I don't know if you have ever thought about doing one of the insanity workouts. I strongly suggest it. I mean, hell, that program made me lose like 45 pounds. So if you want to tone up a little bit, I shouldn't say tone up because there's really no such thing, but if you want to shed some body fat and you want like a very like not have to think about it, high intensity interval training program, I strongly suggest going to pick up some insanity. Right now, I'm at 527 calories burned. My heart rate right now is coming down to 117, and for 46 minutes. So 46 minutes, over 500 calories, that's nuts. My heart rate's probably a little up, just because I didn't eat the best things last night. I'm not the most clean right now. But yeah, I'm super pumped about it. But you know what? We're not gonna stop there. We're gonna go play some racquetball. So I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm gonna show you a little bit of that. And then I don't know, maybe we'll go play out in the snow. I don't know what the world has in store for me today. All I know is that I'm not letting the snow be an excuse for me. And if you are like me, who's got a good 2 feet of snow outside, don't ever let that be an excuse for you either. Find a way, sweat, and look the way you want to look. So, yep, that's what I'm gonna go do. Alright, aesthetic addicts, well, the blizzard of no gains, that's what I'm going to call it. Blizzard of no gains is still in fact in 2016. I don't see any of this stopping in sight, but I just got, with my heart rate monitor, my phone told me, I just burned about 950 calories in about an hour and 15 minutes worth of stuff. So that's awesome. So I'm ready to eat whatever the hell I want to eat right now, and not care too much about it, because I got it out of the way. I did my thing, and I'm just ready to relax. So I hope you guys are enjoying your staycation, because if you guys, seriously, it's bad out there. Don't go anywhere if you don't have to. I'm gonna try to get this video uploaded later today, and that's it. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you're having a great weekend. Don't forget to comment below, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all, my aesthetic addicts, in the next video.